Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of fun on the farm today. All the farm animals that you see today are made by Schleich. My favourite animals today are the cows and the donkeys. The donkeys are near the end. One of the lambs decides to try and escape. They're after those lovely yellow flowers. Luckily, Amber, our farm dog, barks and alerts Sarah. First of all, we have a fence for the cattle, and I can hear music in the distance. And here's the calf again. It's time to feed the adult cattle. Matt brings in some hay. Domestic cows are one of the most common farm animals around the world. Black bull. Cows are members of the order Artiodactyla. This order contains even-toed, hoofed animals. A Texas longhorn cow. Cows have distinctive cloven hooves and belong to the family Bovidae. This also includes antelope, sheep, and goats. And the Texas longhorn bull. The Texas longhorn has very long horns which can extend to over 70 inches or 1.8 meters from tip to tip for bulls and up to 100 inches for steers. I'm going to build a pond next. Mallard duck, swimming duck, swan with cygnets, and a white goose. A new fence arrives for the sheep. Some kittens and a cat, merino sheep, a black sheep, Shropshire sheep, and 2 lambs. The 2 Sarahs always love the baby animals. Time for a hug. Sheep are also members of the order Artiodactyla. They are ruminant mammals. Kittens. The mother cat. The 2 Sarahs have poured some milk and given them some cat biscuits. It's time to feed the adult sheep. Sheep are most likely descended from the wild mouflon of Europe and Asia, and one of the earliest animals to be domesticated for agricultural purposes. Next up, we have horses and donkeys. the adult donkey, a Mustang horse, a Mustang stallion, the baby donkey, and of course the Mustang foal. The Mustang is a free-roaming horse of the western United States, which originally came to the Americas by the Spanish. These donkeys are beautiful animals, very strong, and you can see the cross on their back. The little foal has one ear up and one ear down. David the farmer is feeding the Mustangs and the donkey. Meanwhile, the two Sarahs are feeding the foals. And now for some chickens and roosters. Oh, we've got trouble. The little lamb is trying to escape. It spotted some lovely yellow flowers. Luckily, Amber, our Saint Bernard, has come up and she's barking for Sarah. Sarah knows what to do. David the farmer picks up the lamb and returns it to the pen. He makes sure the gate is shut. Another fun day at the farm with lots of visitors. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.